This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Eric Butler. Lovely acreage in Shepherdstown, West Virginia with 5.61 acres of countryside views. A great place to build your dream home on this rolling corner lot backing to trees and open farmland. Driveway has been cut in and well has been drilled, 25 GPM. A high-quality shed sits on the lot. Home sites allow horses and/or livestock too. Community offers tree-lined streets, a 9.5-acre park and 2 miles of trails. 2,500 square feet min. For one story, 3,000 for two-story dwelling. For more information, review the details below or contact Eric Butler at 304-263-2121.